Welcome back mga katropa! Ang SM Mega Center Cabanatuan ay nagtampok ng kanilang Christmas centerpiece na may temang Santa's Coming to Town. I-display rito ang mga lokal na gawang Pinoy ng mga higanteng Santa Claus at mga Christmas tree na may snow. It's the most wonderful time of the year. So let's visit, take a look because this festive display is a must-see. Alamin ang mga kwento ni Ms. Pearl Salangsang, SM Regional Operations Manager tungkol sa mga proyekto ng SM Super Malls. This is JR De La Peña and you're watching Kuya JR TV.
Our SM Mega Center Cabanatuan Holiday Centerpiece theme is Santa Claus is Coming to Town. Actually, ang ano talaga niya is Christmas village. As you can see, this unique and magnificent theme for Christmas centerpiece is surrounded with number one, a magnificent 22 feet Christmas tree surrounded by 6 dancing Santas.